Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Kal there was a big whipsaw move in the oil prices. Apart from oil, the entire global markets had a big reversal. Dollar index came off. Global equity markets went up. Volatility indices came down. Dollar CNH also came off a little. And most importantly, dollar rupee fell quite sharply in the offshore. 75 half tak almost चला गया था spot. Currently it's around 75, 62, 64 के आसपास on the spot level, 75, 92, 94 के आसपास on the April futures. RBI also announced a sell buy swap of $5 billion under which RBI will be selling dollars in the spot and then reversing the transaction in the future. So basically these transactions can be understood as a sort of a loan from the RBI. So RBI gives dollars as loan to the market for a fixed tenor and takes Indian rupees as collateral because Indian rupees have a higher interest rate and dollar has a lower interest rate. So RBI ends up paying a forward premium on as a cost. And this whole transaction is reversed in the future. They tend to have an impact on the spot, but that is very limited. And that's what we will see at the open, a gap down because RBI is going to sell dollars in spot. So it will have a positive impact at the open, but it won't sustain for long. And at the same time, what led to a big whipsaw in the oil prices was Brent fell from 115 to 104, or it is currently around 110.11. The news that there is possible breakthrough in the talks between Ukraine and Russia, and the Russian military has reduced the pace of offensive in a couple of Ukrainian cities. इसी कारण this whipsaw happened and a positive impact happened in the global risk markets. But with oil still above 100 and now above 110, Indian rupee will see limited appreciation beyond this point. Let's look at the important support levels. 75.60 एक important support level है, and then it comes to 75.30. तो 75.30 तक भी अगर डॉलर रुपी आया नीचे due to long liquidation, and if it pushes us slightly more on the down, but looks like the range could unfold between 75, 20, 30 on the down and 76, 20, 30 on the up. So this could be the broad range. One way to play would be that to sell options. Intraday mein straddle is a better trade. Positional mein short strangle or even short iron fly can be also a better trade. We would like to see where the dollar rupee is stabilizing in the first hour. उसके हिसाब से we will issue the trade, but we are inclined to selling options क्योंकि it's going to be a range bound market because of the oil prices. We may not see a very steep appreciation in the Indian rupee. At the same time, the positive risk sentiments के कारण we shouldn't see a very steep depreciation as well. So a range bound move can continue, and with the VIX may remains subdued in USDINR. So selling option is a preferable trade than looking to buy futures because futures may one can get whipshot. Cross currency में GBP INR looks to be bearish, and sell on rise is the trade in GBP INR. So ये cross currency में keep an eye. GBP INR is bearish, so sell on rise is the trade. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.